Hello everyone, and welcome back to Edulap. Have you ever wanted to add a visual reference, like an employee photo or a product thumbnail, directly into an Excel cell without cluttering your spreadsheet? Today I'm going to show you a clever way to insert images into Excel notes so they appear only when you hover over a cell. First, select the cell where you want the image to appear. Go to the Review tab in the top ribbon, click on Notes, and select New Note. You'll see a small yellow box appear. Now, this is the most important part. Move your cursor to the edge of the note box until the pointer turns into a four-way arrow. Right-click exactly on that border and select Format Comment. Note, if you right-click inside the box instead of on the border, you won't see the option we need. In the Format Comment window, navigate to the Colors and Lines tab. Under the Fill section, click the drop-down menu for color and select Fill Effects at the very bottom. A new window will pop up. Click on the Picture tab and then click Select Picture. You can choose a file from your computer or an online source. Once you've found your image, for example, this employee portrait, select it and click Insert. Click OK on both windows. Your image is now embedded in the note. You can use the small sizing handles on the corners of the box to resize the photo so it looks just right. Let's repeat that one more time for another entry to make sure you've got it. Create the note, right-click the border, go to Colors and Lines, Fill Effects, and choose your next image. And there you have it! Now, whenever you hover over the cell with the red indicator, the image pops up instantly. This is a great way to create interactive directories or product lists. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Edulap for more professional Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching!